Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today let me show you how to make this very easy sweet treat. It is so good. It is sweet, it's salty, it's crunchy, it's chocolatey, it's everything you want in a treat. And best of all, so easy and quick to make. Let's get started. I'm gonna start by lining a 16 by 12 inch pan with some foil paper and then top it with a piece of parchment paper. The next thing I'm gonna arrange some saltine crackers, just like you're seeing right now, and I used about 1.5 sleeves. You can use any salty crackers that you prefer, but these work perfectly in this recipe. After arranging in the pan, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The next step is to make my caramel sauce. In a pan, I'm gonna add 1 package, 226 grams of unsalted room temperature butter. To that, I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar to be exact. I'm gonna place on medium heat and I'm gonna let the mixture boil. And this is the most critical step. You need to mix constantly, and the minute it starts boiling, you keep on mixing for only 4 more minutes while the heat is still on. And I'm using a candy thermometer, and the temperature that we need to reach with the sugar and the butter is 230 degrees Fahrenheit. So I keep an eye on the thermometer too. The caramel sauce is looking perfect. I'm gonna move it carefully and pour it in an even layer on top of the biscuits or the crackers. Spread as much as you can. Try to get all the crackers. It doesn't have to be perfect. After you do so, you're gonna place it in the oven, in the preheated oven, for about 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. Five minutes later, I take it out of the oven. It's looking perfect and it's bubbling hot. Now it's the perfect time to add my semi-sweet chocolate. I add the whole package, the 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. I try to spread it as much as I can. And the heat of the caramel sauce will melt the chocolate. 1 minute later, it's gonna be so easy for me to spread the chocolate on top of the caramel sauce. Make sure your spatula is really clean and dry. Water and chocolate don't mix well. From this point on, you can be as creative as you want. You can add some candy cane, crushed candy canes. You can add some marshmallow. You can add pecans, whatever you like. The choices are endless at this point. You can have some colored sparkling sugar. Just decorate it the way you like. When you're done decorating, place it in the fridge until the chocolate hardens. They call this recipe Christmas crack because it's so addictive. You'll know when you try it. It's so buttery, it has caramel, it's salty and sweet, it's chocolatey. When it sets in the fridge, I take it out and I'm gonna break it in a random way, just like you're seeing here. And I'm gonna place it on a platter and serve it to friends and family and keep some for Santa. I hope you give this recipe a try, and until next time, bon appetit!